Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of Korean BBQ, a culinary delight that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. So, let's get started. Korean barbecue, also known as gogi-gui, is a traditional Korean dish that involves grilling meat, typically beef, pork, chicken, or seafood, on a charcoal or gas grill. The most popular meats used are bulgogi, a marinated beef dish, and galbi, a marinated pork dish. The marinades used in Korean BBQ are a blend of soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, garlic, ginger, and a variety of other spices. These flavors create a rich and savory taste that's hard to resist. The meat is then grilled on a hot grill, which caramelizes the sugar in the marinade, creating a delicious crust on the meat. Korean BBQ is often enjoyed with a variety of side dishes, known as banchan, which can include kimchi, pickled radishes, and seasoned vegetables. These side dishes are a crucial part of the Korean BBQ experience, as they help to balance the richness of the meat and provide a variety of flavors and textures. When it comes to cooking Korean barbecue, there are a few tips to keep in mind. First, make sure to cook the meat over high heat, as this will help to create that delicious crust. Second, be sure to cook the meat until it's well done, as this will ensure that it's safe to eat. If you're looking to try Korean BBQ at home, there are a few things you'll need. First, you'll need a grill, either charcoal or gas. Second, you'll need a variety of meats, as well as the marinades and side dishes. And finally, you'll need some patience, as Korean BBQ can take some time to prepare and cook. In conclusion, Korean BBQ is a delicious and flavorful dish that's sure to please any food lover. So why not give it a try and impress your friends and family with your culinary skills? Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food tips. Happy cooking!